Make a great choice today with
the 2025 E-350. Ford has maintained its level of success for E-Series by continually monitoring its customers' needs and maintaining a high level of quality, power and strength, spacious comfort, abundant and versatile cargo capacity. These have made E-350 America's choice for personal and commercial vans over the past 3 decades. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, tachometer, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front wheel independent suspension. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.